Hello everyone. Now we'll see the next visual gauge. A gauge consists of a circular arc which shows a singular value that measures your progress towards a KPI or goal. The line on the arc represents the target or goal, and the shading represents the progress made towards it. The value inside of the arc shows the progress value. The best example of gauge is our speedometer on the vehicle. We have seen various range of speed, green, red, white. So we'll see here how it is formed and what are its significance. So click on the gauge in the visualization section. Now adjust its size. Now on value we can take sales, profit, whatever our choice we can take. Here I will take the profit. Now this is the profit value 286.4k. Now we have to set here, this is the minimum, maximum, target. So we'll set time being, we just take the measure. Minimum is equal to 50. Okay. After minimum, we'll take the maximum. We can see here the minimum and max measures have been created. Now next is the target. This is hard-coded value, minimum, max, target. We can take any value. Now we'll move the minimum value here in the minimum value here. So we can see the changes here. Minimum value is the 50k here. Now we'll take the maximum. This is the maximum. And here we'll take the target value. So we can see this is the target value 250k and total sale is 286.4k. It means target is achieved here. And this is the maximum profit value, which this is the minimum profit. This is all about gauge.